for suppers. If you say dinners, then that's okay. I say supper. I don't know if that's like a Canadian thing or if it's like where I'm from thing, or maybe it's my family thing, but pretty much every single other people in my life say dinner. And I'm like, supper? So all my supper queens out there, if you guys say supper, please take a stand. Like, so I'm gonna share with you guys what I ate for a week worth of suppers. The last two may have been from the week next. But it's a week's worth of suppers, so that's what I'm gonna show you guys. I love watching what I eat in a day videos on YouTube. Those are my favorite videos to watch, honestly. Those and like get ready with me's in the background for like when I'm getting ready and stuff, or like story times in the background. But to actually sit down and watch, I love what I eat in the day. So if you guys like this from me, maybe I can do it again. Let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos. I don't do like full recipes or anything like that because I have a recipe channel. So if you guys like any of these or want any of these for recipe, let me know. Thumbs it up so I know like pretty much from the ratio of the thumbs up, thumbs down. And it like encouraged me to like make more homemade meals because I like literally have a fast food addiction. I love ordering food. I love just like ordering something quick. But I think cooking at home is more like therapeutic and you know what's going into your food and everything like that. So let me just get started with Monday. And Monday, it was taco night. Ow! It's taco night. Soft and hard shells because we don't mind if it's soft or hard. We'll eat it anyway. And some cheesy cheddar tater tots to go along with it that I'm putting in that air fryer you see over there. I'm gonna fill the tacos with turkey, free shavacado, lettuce from this because I'm gonna make this tomorrow and I'm not gonna use it all. Green chilies and salsa, and cheese and sour cream. I'm kind of worried I have too many ingredients and they won't fit, but whatever. There's taco sauce in here, so I'm not gonna use salsa. May as well use this and keep this for something else. I haven't had a taco kit in so long. These are the shells, or those are the softs. Ow. There's a little house here. Way too high. Oh my god. Season, always. That might be a little too much. Taco lineup. Chili. Cheese! And I think I want sour cream just on this one. Wow, I made these really messy. Love that. Oh! Monday's meal. And I barely used any of this taco sauce, so I'm just gonna put it on the tots. This is like a carb meal. Yummy. Mmm. Yum, that meal was so good, and I was tempted to add cheese on top of the tater tots, those cheesy tots, but honestly, it was so good just by itself. I think it would have been overpowering because the cheese was really strong in there. Yum. It didn't look like it, so I was like, ooh, it's not even cheesy tots, but they really have a strong, like, almost like Parmesan taste to them. They were so good. Now on to Tuesday. Tuesday, I homemade some chicken Parmesan, which is one of my favorite things to make, and some Caesar salad and some garlic bread. So here you go. Hello, it's Tuesday, and I am making chicken Parmesan and Caesar salad. So I'm doing it. Vegetables. I cut off all like the blood and guts out of the chicken and the fat. So I'm sorry, but I'm not biting into a vein. So I just cut it off. Okay, so, oh yeah, I'm wearing Batman, what are these? Like briefs, like men's underwear? What are gender roles? No, they don't exist in this house. I take some cling wrap. And, oh no, I hate when it gets all crunkly. Come here, baby. And then you just take out your anger like someone you hate. You don't like, but not too flat, because then it'll be dry when you bake it. Okay, so all I do is I just put into the flour, which I seasoned the flour with paprika and salt, pepper. It's so easy. This recipe is so easy. And then to the egg, and then the breadcrumbs. And you don't have to bread it if you're keto and shit. Yum. I'm in a good mood today. This looks incredible. You gotta make sure it's the Parmigiano Reggiano. What am I? And mozza, this is the sauce that I use. I love this, Classico, me, for cheese. This looks so good, stop it. So all I do is pour. I'm gonna also do this on my Instagram story, so follow me on Instagram. Why does this look so good? I'm gagged. Yup. Spread it around. It's really like nothing serious. You just want it to be sauce bossed. Okay, that's probably good. Into the oven it goes, bye. Okay, looks something like that. Cheese time. This is the best part. And I make my own blend, and I'm not telling you what it is. A little Italian seasoning. pepper. And I'm just gonna bake it. I can broil it actually, and then it'll be good. I found this hair in here before I started baking it. Wow, the workers in this house are disgusting. Yum, that is some chicken parm. This looks like such a delicious meal. Also some garlic bread. Oh my God. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Woo! Yum, it was so good. I had leftovers for the next day for lunch, so I ate that up. Not the salad though, I feel like salad goes soggy, but I loved it. It was so good. Honestly, 9 out of 10. It was so delicious. I love the way I make chicken parm. It's so like juicy and succulent. Okay, so Wednesday, I was actually hungover. I went out on the Tuesday and I said I wasn't gonna I was like, I'm not gonna drink much. I'm gonna have a chill night. And I literally drank so much. I felt like absolute crap the next day, even at supper time. Oh my God, I'm dying. I'm dying. Ugh. Nobody feels bad for me. I did it to myself. I just ordered Wendy's, so hopefully that'll cure my soul. Oh, good night. I did order Wendy's, and I ordered a grilled chicken sandwich, which I didn't film, but I ordered a grilled chicken sandwich meal and fries. I literally only ate the fries. I was like, ugh. I was just like not, I felt like, you know when you're hungover and you're like, oh, I want this, and then when it gets there, you're like, that was me. So I just did not, I just ate the fries and drank the drink and then went to sleep. I'm sorry, but this is just like a realistic what I eat in a week video. Thursday was better. Really, really cold, and it was snowing. It was just like really one of the coldest days so far this year. Disgusting. Didn't want to go outside, so I just made some soup and sandwich. Okay, some broccoli cheddar soup, but what is this in the soup? What is this? I don't know. I'm gonna rinse it off and take a look. It's a leaf from the broccoli, I see. Thank goodness, I thought it was like black plastic from like a trash bag or something. It is a snowstorm, so I think Zeph agrees that it is soup and sandwich day today. It's so cold and blustery outside, so that's what we're doing for supper today, right, Zeph? And I have a Montreal style turkey sandwich, turkey bacon, double turkey, pickles, cheese, and then I have a side of green olives stuffed with feta. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. This is the Thursday meal. Oh, I'm gonna put my bread on. I'm gonna have some turkey bacon on the side, blustery weather, broccoli cheddar soup, turkey sandwich. Yum. Actually, I need some mustard on that sandwich, but that's it. Honestly, the turkey bacon with the turkey breast, it was so good. I love turkey. And the soup just like warmed my insides, and it was good to just have like a homemade sandwich, even though there's really nothing to it. But like those garden fresh pickles, I know that pickles are cucumbers. Like it was garden cucumbers, and then they were home canned and made into pickles. They were so good. They were so crunchy. It just gave a nice like acidic flavor to the sandwich. Look at me. It wasn't like an amazing meal. It was probably like a 7 out of 10 meal, but it was just for the day and for like the vibes, it was perfect. Hello Friday! I wanted to make pork chops because I haven't had them for a while, and I had a leftover shake and bake, and I bought a ricer recently. I never said this in the video, but I bought a ricer, and I bought it at the thrift store a while ago, and I've been looking for a ricer for so long, and I found one at the thrift store and I haven't used it, but I've been wanting to use it for mashed potatoes, and they turned out so good. So I made garlic mashed potatoes, pork chops, and peas. So here you go. Today is pork chops, mashed potatoes, and country gravy and peas. Yum. Just used shake and bake and then seasoned it up. There is a stick in the peas to me. First time making country gravy, so it might not turn out, but we're hoping. Oil my pretties. I don't even know if these are ready yet. Let's take a chance. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm a stoner. Please work. I'm gonna cry if this doesn't work. Oh my God! Look at that! Wow! Oh, cool! Cool! This is so much better than mashing. They're just so hot. I think you're supposed to let them cool down, but everything else is ready, so... Rice them. Apparently this is what makes like the creamiest mashed potatoes. Yum, the pork chops look so good. Wow, that's so cool. So this is what's in there. Ow, don't touch the pot, snap. Butter. And I'm just gonna do it as I go and see what needs more. Cream. Oh, I shouldn't have shut that. All the cats are gonna come running. Never mind, he's already watching me right there. He's like, my bowl's right there. Just pour it in. Salt, you need salt, salt, salt. Pepper, garlic powder. Oh, these are so creamy. They need more cream. Okay, Zeph. Oh my God. He sounds like a baby crying. Peas. chops. And the gravy turned out. It looks pretty good. It's a little oily, but if it just drained that oil, it looks so good. Look at that. Yum. This looks so good. Smothered and covered. I'm just gonna put some chives on there. I'll try the potatoes with the gravy. Yum! Oh my god, the gravy is so good. Make sure they're cooked too. I didn't even make sure. Yum! Mmm, nice and peppery. I'm gonna go enjoy my meal now. And that was my Friday meal. So honestly, that one I think was my favorite meal out of the week. Because I tried something new with the country gravy and the potato method. I've always like mashed my potatoes or like used a fork. And the ricer really made them like creamy. And the country gravy on top, oh my god. It was honestly so good. And I liked just like watching the hockey game and making the country gravy, and it was another cold day, so I think it just like warmed my soul, and it was like really like home cooking, and I don't know, I really liked it. So that was everything I ate in the week. If you guys like these videos, like I said, let me know and I will continue to do more, and this was just really fun for me and a way for me to be more creative. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day or week or whatever you're doing right now, weekend, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again,